Full disclosure, these pillows were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Alright guys, MIULEE pillow insert. Rip it apart. 4 pillows. First pillow. Let's unfluff it. Here we go. This is how it comes out of the vacuum seal wrap. This is the pillow. Let's unfluff it. Unfluffing the pillow. 5 to 8 minutes of fluffing. Put it in a dryer to help. This is made out of polyester. Nice, awesome feeling inside. Nice decorative pillows. You do need a pillow case because these are just the pillow inserts. They come in different sizes. I have the 18-inch by 18-inch and they come in a set 4. A total of 4 of these pillows. Easy to care for. Put them in the machine. Cold wash. Here's another pillow. Oh yeah. They come like this. Fluff them out. 3 to 5 minutes of fluff out. And then you put your nice pillow covers in it and they become nice decorative pillows. There we go. Fluff them out. Very soft, very comfy, very cozy. They're perfect for the couch. Boom! Fluff me up the final pillow. The MIULEE 4-pack of the Hypoallergenic Pillows. Whoa! These pillows are awesome. Very soft, very comfy. 4-pack of decorative pillows right here. And they're very soft. 4 pillows! Whoa! Whoa! What? Oh yeah!